how to change your navigation bar style or buttons on your device. If you'd like to do so in today's video, we'll be guiding you how. So for that, you can basically head over to your phone settings and open it up. Once you are here, you may look out for display settings or similar option and open it up on your screen. Now what you need to do next is you may look out for navigation bar option. So you can scroll through the given options and look out for navigation bar and tap on it. If you do not find it here, you can look out for the search bar and search for it. After that, from there, you can choose between the button navigation or swipe gestures. So if you'd like buttons, you can select buttons. Similarly, if you'd like swipe gestures, you can select that option. And apart from that, we have more options available. Tap on it to select more options. And this is it. Apart from that, if you'd like to add gesture hint or show button to hide the keyboard, you may turn these options on. And that's it. This is how you basically change navigation bar style or buttons, and customize the button order on gesture sensitivity and everything. So you may follow this method in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.